Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Aditi and thank you so much for watching Aditi Joshi. So guys, before I start today's video, I would like to say that I'm really sorry that I wasn't posting since 2 months. Actually, I wasn't just feeling like to, and so just let's not go over there. I am really sorry. Now I'll try to be more active, and if you're feeling there's a bit less lighting today, I'm sorry because today I'm shooting at night. I'm really sorry because in daylight, obviously in the mornings I have my exams, in afternoon I'm not free, I do my own stuff. So today I got the time to shoot for you guys, and today we are gonna do the very famous challenge, which is never have I ever challenge. I know this is out of trend for now, but why not, I try it. So guys, I have searched a few questions on Google for never have I ever, which are for my age, and I will be answering those questions. And if I don't want to answer any question, I feel that I don't think it's the right time to reveal the answer, then I need to drink water. Yes guys, obviously I had to give water, I cannot drink anything else. So yes guys, getting on to today's video. Guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and turn on this post notification so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Oh my god, I talk so much. Okay, so guys, starting off with the first question. It is starting off very spicy, so stay tuned for all the spiciness you want. And I'll be rolling like this because I have a habit of whenever I'm sitting on an new wheelie chairs, maybe I like to rotate. So yeah, sorry for that. First question is, never have I ever said a bad word. Yes guys, I have said bad word, not a curse word, a bad one, and there's a difference. I'd like to make sure. So yes. Next one is, never have I ever been on Facebook. Yes, I have been on Facebook. Never have I ever spoken to my crush. No, because I never had one, and I don't believe in doing anything of this at this age. If you are, if you are having it or doing it, no offense to anyone, it's just my opinion. Now next question is, never have I ever sang in the shower. Oh god, I have. I am a bathroom singer guys. Like as soon as I enter and I feel like, oh, I'm feeling bored and all today, and I'll just start singing. So I have. Next, never have I ever been out of state. Yes guys, I've traveled to Gujarat. I live in Maharashtra, Pune, so I've traveled to Gujarat, I've traveled to a lot of south areas and much more. So yeah. Then, never have I ever played spin the bottle. So guys, actually, what kind of spin of bottle are you talking about? Because a lot of people play different ones, and I have played one which is like you either get a truth or a dare. So yeah, that is what I have played. Now, never have I ever met someone famous. I need to think about this because I don't remember if I've met anyone famous. No, I haven't met anyone famous till now. So yeah. Never have I ever flown in a plane. Yes, guys, I've flown in a plane lot many times. And then, never have I ever chatted with a stranger online. No, guys, I don't have those guts to do it, so no. Never have I ever been the wheel of a been behind the wheel of a car. Yes guys, हम जब भी हाइड एंड सीक खेलते हैं तो I lot of times hide behind the car's tires. So yeah. Never have I ever had a smartphone. Now answering it a particular way I have, but not for a proper use. Means I was given my brother's old iPhone, like iPhone 5, you know, way old, to me to use, and it actually doesn't work. So technically I have, practically I don't. um Never have I ever played truth or dare. Yes, I've played truth or dare, normal one. Yeah. Never have I ever stayed up all night. No, I have. No, let me think. Mm, oh, I don't know actually. If you're getting this car honks and everything, please ignore it because I cannot go down until I've closed all my windows. But these horns nowadays are just terrible. Uh, oh god, I don't know if I have ever woken up to all night, because I might. Yes, okay, the answer is yes, I have. In summers, like maybe in 2018, my cousins came and we used to we awake till the morning 7 o'clock playing all the games and all. So ultimately, yes, I have. Now, next question is, never have I ever pretended to be sick so I could miss school. Okay, guys, now you have to comment down below like which kid has not done this. I literally want to know which kid has not done this. I have done this, and once I was like, I didn't like to go to school at one particular time because I didn't like the teachers and maybe there was some issues and all that stuff. So yeah, and actually had gotten glasses that time, but we didn't know that I have glasses, so it used to bring me headache and all. So, and I also didn't like to go to school because as of headache, it feels so bad. But I have pretended that I have stomach ache when I don't actually have stomach ache. And yes, I've missed school a lot many times, but now I don't because even if I'm sick, I like to go to school because oh my god, yeah. But in corona cases, if your schools have open and if you're not feeling well, even if you have minor cough or cold, I would suggest stay home, recover, and come back. Never have I ever been called to the principal's office. Yes, I have been called to the principal's office. Now, clearing it out, I haven't been there for any complaint, touch wood, I never ever want to be. But yes, guys, I have been there because we have some events and all. So a particular students get selected for a function and all. So yeah, for that I had gone. Never have I ever lied to a teacher. Yes, I have lied to my teacher. And actually, in my last, when I was in sixth and right now I'm seventh, I didn't do one assignment. I lied that I haven't done because of some reason which was so stupid. I haven't drank water yet, so good going, guys. And even if I drink water like minimum 3 times, you guys get to give me a punishment in my next video. So you have to comment on all your punishments that you have. You can comment as many as you want and I'll select the best one. Never have I ever cried in the school bathroom. Yes, I have. Actually क्या हुआ कि जब भी मैं स्कूल में थी और मुझे लग गया था टेबल, so it was bleeding and I cried. So yeah, I have cried. Oh, sorry, phone दिख गया. Never have I ever tried to look like a celebrity. Yes, guys, I have tried to look like a celebrity, but I miserably failed. Means hair wise it was good, clothing wise okay, not bad, you can say, but the makeup I did was horrible. It was like a monster was there. The next question is, never have I ever passed notes in class. Not exactly notes, but there are a lot of people in class who need answers, so yeah, that I've done to help them out. And never have I ever been to a school dance. Yes, guys, like only last year I wasn't in the dance, and I was always in dance because I love dancing, but I love acting more than dancing nowadays. So because of my speaking skills and my vocabularies, I got selected for the um, skit or the drama kind of thing for my school. So yes, and the main question was, never have I been to a school dance. Yes, I have been to a school dance. Then next question is, this is the last question, so I don't think I deserve a punishment. Never have I ever did something super embarrassing in class. I need to think actually for it. Um. Okay, guys, I remember it, and I just feel that it shouldn't be out, and it is way more embarrassing, and I don't wanna put anything like that out. So yes, guys, the water goes in. So guys, I was drinking only one, but yes, that's it for our video, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm again sorry that I wasn't posting. I'll try my best to make you guys more entertained, and thank you so much for our current subscribers for subscribing. And if you haven't subscribed right now, you have to. And I have a deal for you guys. You guys can give me any kind of punishment you want me to do in my next video. So for that, you need to like my video and subscribe to my channel and turn on this post notification. Then you have to comment down below any punishment you want me to do. It can be hilarious, it can be anything you want me to do, but make sure it is not so bad that I just reject it at first. And yes, guys, you have to do all this, and then your comment would be added. And yes, guys, I love you all so much. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, and love you all. Bye bye.